Ready to turn your WhatsApp into a powerful sales engine by connecting your Shopify store to Wati. First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Settings section, which is usually found at the bottom left of your dashboard. Next, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Wati. Locate the Wati app and click on the Add App button to install it. Once installed, open the Wati application. You should see a prompt asking you to connect your Shopify store, usually with a button that says Connect to Shopify. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Wati to access your Shopify catalog. After that, configure your product synchronization settings. You'll likely have options to automatically sync products and choose specific catalogs to import. Now, let's create some automated messages. Go to the message template builder within Wati. Here, you can design messages that dynamically showcase your products. Insert product snippets directly into your WhatsApp messages. Imagine sending customers targeted messages showcasing new arrivals or special offers directly within WhatsApp. Customers can browse, add to cart, and even initiate the checkout process, all without leaving the conversation. With this integration, you are sure to boost sales and transform your e-commerce communication strategy. Connect your Shopify catalog in Wati today.